Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel, whatever it may be. Today we are going to try to build a custom fan shroud on the S10 here. We're going to build it out of a refrigerator door. The same thing I done with Krusty. So we're going to take a refrigerator door and chop it down and make it fit onto that radiator. My batteries died and I didn't get to film all this, but basically these tabs here were facing down. I guess the original shroud bolted to them, and we just cut it there and bent it up so this thing actually just slide down in there. We got it folded over here. We'll probably put some screws in that, so we just slide it in there and then screw it down right there. I think that's gonna work. We just gotta get our fans and cut out the holes for them. Alright. Got the dry shaft back. You get new ends?
Yeah, he beat it up, the whole thing. Only thing he used in my old one was this.
Well, heck yeah. That's the main thing.
That's nice. That's tight. You ain't worried about that falling apart.
Hey guys, we got this pulley here. We're gonna see if this thing will replace all of those. Nothing better than punching a radiator. You left some skin on there.
Yeah. Yeah, I did too. That's good.
Some chunk out of your finger.
Yeah. Yeah.
I got some electrical tape.
I worked on your truck and didn't get cut off. Yeah. Worked on mine, that's what you get.
Alright, we're gonna take these valve covers off because they are actually hitting the intake right here where this is raised up on that single plane intake here. They're hitting in all four spots, so we're gonna take it off and just grind that down. So hopefully we don't have no valve cover leakage. Alright, we got these things notched out there. We can go ahead and throw them back on there. I'm gonna try to make some transmission lines. Alright, we got it bent around the starter. Of course, he's going to have to take these loose every time he needs to change a starter. And we got it tucked up close to the old pan there and going out the front. Got some zip ties holding the transmission lines up. He's just tightening up these hose clamps and all, and dry shafts in. And we're going to try to run a new fuel system here. I don't know what they got going on here. I believe it's a regular fuel pressure regulator, and that both sides are pressurized, and somebody regulates it with this little valve. But we bought a true bypass return style regulator, waiting on it to get here in the mail. But we're going to try to mount it up here. Probably use this hole and make some kind of mount there. We get this piece of metal. I'm just going to drill a hole in there and weld this bracket to this piece of metal. Alright guys, there's our bracket. It's pretty sturdy. I think it's going to work. And the new fuel pressure regulator is going to be the same style. It's going to look the same, so hopefully it'll bolt up the same. It's just going to be different. As you can see on this, so you got in coming in the bottom and then two outs. That's just a regular regulator, and we bought a bypass return style, so we can have a return line going back to the tank, because we're using the original fuel pump. So yeah, we still got to get some paint on that, finish it up, but we are out of time, so that will be next time. And whenever we get some fans, we'll finish cutting that out and finish that thing up too. But we got a few things done, and hopefully if we get the regulator by next time, maybe we could try to start this thing. Maybe, I don't know. But I guess that's it for this one. Till next time. See ya.